Hello, everybody. Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And before I get started tonight, I want to give a special thanks to Khari at Verizon Tech Support. I had him on the line today. He was the third tech that I had online. The other two got cut off, and I never got back with them. And then finally, when I got Khari on there, he took care of the situation. The others just made it worse. Anyway, I want to give a special thanks to Khari, and if you're watching this, tell your supervisor to watch it too, because you deserve a raise for what you did and got me back and running. Not having internet out here in the desert, not having data at all, and not being able to access the internet is not an option. I need that, and my followers need that, and YouTubers need that. So let's all say thanks to Khari. All right, thanks, Khari. And he was in Georgia anyway, originally from New York. Nice guy. I gave him the link to my channel. He said he was going to check it out, and I'm sure that he'll enjoy the extra thanks I'm giving him. Anyway, I didn't get much done because I spent quite a bit of the day on the phone with three different techs before I got it straightened out, because I couldn't get any internet service. And when I did, it would drop to 3G, and then it would disconnect me, and it would say, check your internet connection and try again. Oh my God, what a nightmare. But it's all fixed now, and everything's back up and running. All right, everybody. So last night when I was, it started 3 days ago with little things that were just telling me something's not right. But last night when I was uploading last night's video, the script thing popped up on the screen when I hit upload. It popped up on the screen and said 3 hours remaining. 3 hours to upload yesterday's video? You gotta be kidding me. And whoever it was that gave me the thumbs down out there, hey, thanks. I appreciate that. That was on yesterday's video. Go back and check it out. One person put a thumbs down there. I don't know why. I guess they didn't like that I didn't answer them because they asked the stupid, they asked a question that I couldn't answer. Anyway, that's where we're at. Here we go. Curiosidades Extrano asked to see the label on that cover to keep your hose bibs from freezing outside. So I went out and took the label off, and this is it. I'm going to zoom in nice and close so you can get the numbers and all of that off, and I'm going to hold it there for, I'll give it about 15 or 20 seconds so you can write things down. Of course, you can always hit the pause button, and it'll stay on the screen right there until you get everything written down. But anyway, this is the item, and this is the styrofoam one. The other one has a plastic lining. It looks like it would last longer, but this one is probably just as good. It'll do the job, and you save about $1.30 or whatever, something like that on it. $1 something anyway. But okay, so that's it, and I hope that helps you out. And yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't work in colder climates than what I have. If it works at below freezing temperatures in any place, then it's going to work in below freezing temperatures in other places. So I hope that gets you where you want. And again, like I said, I didn't get much done today, but I did bring a table lamp that I had out in my container in here, because I was using these little Harbor Freight LED lights to light this room, and instead of turning on that big light up there, because when I turn that one on, oh my God, it's so bright in here I can't see out the windows. I don't want all that light pollution. I want a little subtle light. So I got myself a little LED bulb in here, very subtle, with a lampshade on there, so I should still be able to see outside. And I went and picked up my mail today, and had the food flyers in there, and look at that prime rib roast. Doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh. And they get some pretty good deals here at Stater Brothers. 47 cents for a turkey, but you have to buy $25 worth of other stuff along with it to get that price. And that's fine with me. I go into the store, $25 is easy to spend. But we'll see. I'm also going to stock up on some beer while I'm at it and get the stuff I need for my Thanksgiving dinner because, hey, next week is Thanksgiving already. I think it's on a Thursday. Kidding. Of course it's on a Thursday. All right. So that's about all I have for today. It's going to be a short video. Like I said, I didn't get much done because of technical difficulties. But we'll let it go from that. And I will be back on tomorrow with some more G-Bear's off-grid ways. For now, don't forget, give me a thumbs up down there. Nah, not the thumbs down. Thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. G-Bear signing off.